Good morning, friends. A little bit more cast iron cooking for you. So I have this waffle iron and black on black in the terrible light in my kitchen. It's really hard to see. But this is awesome. My daughter got this for me, not this last Christmas, but the Christmas before. And see, it's got a base there. It's got the waffle iron in inside, and it flips kind of like a commercial one. So this is a stover. I did some research on it. It's a moderate waffle iron. I would love to get my hands on a Griswold, but they're very hard to come by in my area. So this one is it does a beautiful job. I just recently got a new stove. My last one was a 4-burner stove, and this one is a 4-burner, and it's got the center griddle burner. And so the the grating system on it goes all the way across, and it makes it level. On my last stovetop, it was cumbersome to use, and when I seasoned it, it did not the waffle stuck. It was really hard to use it on my last stove. So I've been working with my kitchen a little bit differently with this new oven. And can I just say, I don't want a big plug, but this almost all of my appliances now are Samsung. And right now, if you're looking at appliances, I am not upset, not one bit, with a single Samsung appliance that I have. So let's go ahead and make a waffle. I've put olive oil in the bottom and on the top. See, the bottom has little wells, and the top has little, what shall we call them, posts. And then I have some sourdough batter, and that was one of the reasons I wanted to get some of the sourdough used up. So I made a sourdough batter, and it's a third of a cup, but I think a half a cup would be better. So just close that. I like it to sit for just a minute, give it a chance to firm up, and then I'm going to flip it to the top side. And my heat is medium low. But I'm going to tell you, woohoo, I am so excited. Now, these ones are sweet waffles. I was going to say we could have chicken and waffles tonight, but these are sweet waffles. I put a little bit of sugar in there because of breakfast. Now, I'm not eating, I am not eating breads and sugar right now, so I won't eat these. But I have 2 teenage boys here. They've already had their breakfast, but perhaps I can get them to taste them on camera for us. Let me just check this real quick. See, it lifts up completely easy. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I want to give it just one more second. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I can't wait to show this video to my daughter. She's going to be so excited. I think she was disappointed that I wasn't able to use it. But here I am, rocking it out. Woohoo! Love it. Alright, so let's just go ahead and lift it up. I put my fork too far away. There we go. So, switching hands, switching back. Woohoo! Yeah, it'll stick just a little bit right there. Do you see that? Let's see. There we go. And actually, let's just, oh yeah, see? Might be a little bit light. It could stand a little bit more. So we'll just let it cook a little bit more. But it's lifting right out of there. Did you see how easy that was? I did have a little piece stuck up in there. I think it'll be just fine. So it looks like the trick to this, based on what I can tell already, is just to make sure that you have your iron good and hot. And I had it medium low. I just inched it up just one notch closer to medium. I am so excited. And I can't even eat them, y'all. I'm just excited to be able to fix them. Okay. Yeah, I'm a... Oh, look how pretty that is. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? All right, folks. I'm going to get my taste testers around and see if they won't let us know what they think, and I'll be back shortly. So, I got my little guinea pig there. Hello. The one in the foreground, his name is Ephraim.
Oh, you're talking about me, not TJ.
Foreground is Ephraim. And he has a YouTube channel, Black Belt Boy. He is so impressed right now that I got that plug in.
Yay. Black
Belt Boy. Go like and subscribe his channel. The one back there in the background is my 16-year-old. And he's full because he ate 6 eggs. Yes, folks, 6 eggs. Okay, so Ephraim right here is going to taste this sourdough waffle. He's got him some syrup warmed up. And he really needs to hurry because I have a waffle on the iron I need to pull off. So, you want to say anything, Ephraim, before you take the plunge?
It's probably going to taste really good. My mom's a really good cook.
Oh, listen to that. I pay him well, folks. How is it?
It's really good. You pay me with good food.
Is it something I should make again?
Yes.
Because it's, you know, it's a labor of love here. Mm-hmm. I think the recipe needs to be cut in half, if to be honest with you. It's really for like...
Make sure not to burn your waffle.
Yeah, don't burn your waffle. Is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Is it better than standard waffles?
It's better than Golden Crow.
There you have it, folks. My 14-year-old bottomless pit black belt boy. There you go. Go like and subscribe his page. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you later.